Yesterday was an exciting day for the crypto market, and the exact things I warned about happened. It was kind of a no-brainer. We've been watching this for quite some time now, and we just built up to this moment where things finally exploded. And now ADA is trying to confirm its breakout. This is actually the strongest ADA has broken out of its trend since all the way back on March 14th. So it's been 2 months since ADA's had this much strength. Now you guys can see this back here, right? This strong emergence from this trend line. We've been fighting and fighting and fighting to break out of here and break through this trend since that point. And we finally did it. All right. This again coincided with that DCA move like we talked about yesterday. And in fact, right now, ADA's made about a 9% move over the last 24 hours. So that's very exciting. And this is coinciding with a lot of the crypto market. And really what this is all coming on is just this pent up demand, right? This pent up energy of wanting to move to the upside. And we finally did it on yesterday's CPI report. CPI report came back. It was actually on expectations. It wasn't anything like, crazy, but it wasn't a hot CPI report, and the market took it and ran with it. And because of that, BTC ran all the way up to the 66K range. And really what this was helped by was these short leverage liquidations, like we talked about, the short squeeze. I said this time and time again, and BTC ran from basically 62K all the way up into the 66K in a short period of time, $127 million worth of liquidations. And guess what? We may just do this again. This would be great for ADA. This would be great for the rest of the crypto market. And this is oddly reminiscent of what we saw back on the way up in terms of BTC, right? These times where, again, shorts were trying to push too hard against the market. But guess what? The market has a different idea. And we continue to push further and further and further. And now you guys can see that just above 67K is where some of the most massive short leverage liquidations are. Funny thing is, it actually looks like a lot of these short positions above above 70K either leveraged or DCA down, or they close their positions because this next move may surprise a lot of people. What was crazy about this as well is it was the largest day of institutional money. I can't speak. Largest day of institutional money we've seen since May 3rd, $303 million in inflows, $27 million in inflows from Grayscale, which is a big deal. Fidelity pumping out a huge day, $131 million. And things are getting exciting. Things are starting to liven up. All right. Now, what I have to say in terms of ADA is we haven't quite confirmed yet. All right. This is a great breakout. It's a great move. But watch for a couple things here. Watch for a potential throwback to this trend, right? The ADA, for whatever reason, likes to do that. It likes to try to break out and then throw back to trends. But really, we need to get somewhere up around this 49-cent range. We got to test some of these other moving averages. There's a big gap here between our 20-day moving average and our 100-day moving average, or our 20 or 50, sorry, 20 or 50-day moving average. It's about a 9% variance. That's a pretty wide gap on the daily chart. So that's what we need to close right now. But if things continue to move the way they are in the market, if we get another day of leverage liquidations, if we get another strong day of institutional money, don't be surprised if ADA takes another step forward. All these things that we've talked about for the past, month and a half or so, they're starting to come together. And this may paint a very different picture for the back half of May. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.